Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video guys. This is Sampath, watching Sampath's FX YouTube channel, and this is the Redmi Note 7 Pro. And in this software experience is like I have installed this MIUI Mind Edition. Let me show you. This is the Mind Edition 21.6 MIUI 21.6 Mind Edition based on 2110.21 beta. And this is the Redmi Note 7 Pro. You will get basic details about that. And this is how the version. This is how the home screen you get here, and this when I swipe like this you get app drawer. You can customize everything as similar to any MIUI, but it's a 12.6 and it's a Mind Edition. And here you get the quick settings panel. As you can see, you can edit few of the settings you can add, or even if you don't want, you can disable from here. As you can see, these things you can add or disable from here. If you swipe like this, these options are given. Plenty of options are given, and some of the data storage warning you can set out here, and that's it guys. And coming to dialer, you get MIUI dialer such that if I dial, as you can see, direct video call feature is also there. And the good thing is you get call recording feature, which is really good in my opinion. It's available on this ROM, Mind Edition MIUI 12.6 based ROM. And if I go into here, widgets are there and more you can choose. As you can see, default launcher is this one, and home screen you can choose between app drawer, that's the same thing, and app vault is there. No option to change here, like -1 screen. And show memory status and blur app previews are given. For certain apps you can blur when you are using in multitasking, I mean the. And this is how the home screen layout, and icon size also you can change from here. This is how the home screen and the launcher. It's fine, they have applied certain theme such that it looks like this. It's fine, but I felt a little bit duller than classic theme. Here I'll start with wallpaper and personalization. You get these kind of wallpapers. Let me go into here. As you can see, you need to update some of them, and like that. And plenty of wallpapers are pre-installed in this ROM, MIUI wallpapers and ringtones. These things you can change from here. Notifications look like this. Alarm tones you can find from there, and even fonts also you can adjust based upon your liking. And coming to always on display, which is important. Okay, it's in separate section. As you can see, always on display and lock screen you can enable from here. You can choose different types of settings. Let me enable this. And I will apply. As you can see, it's applied successfully. If I go into lock screen, after a few seconds it will get. As you can see, the always on display is also working fine in this ROM. As I touched into security, let's show you the fingerprint unlock. As you can see, it's very fast. Just tap on the sensor, it's unlocked. And let me show you the face unlock also. It's also very quick. As you can see, once again, it's very quick. And you get app locker also, and this are the settings. And let me go into the settings, and here I explain always on display. And display settings, you get dark mode and light mode. Dark mode looks like this, even the quick settings panel, and even settings, as you can see, it's look fine. I'll go back to light mode, and you can schedule the dark mode brightness level here. Automatic brightness is working fine. Sunlight mode also there. If you want, you can use in the sunlight. And reading mode is also present. Let's see. As you can see, you can even schedule it out. Color scheme is also given. Not plenty of things are given, only 3. And font settings, auto rotate skin, those things are given. And coming to like sound and vibration, I already explained in the wallpaper and personalization. Here you get vibrate on top of vibration haptic feedback. You can choose from off to strong. Profile video for incoming calls is given. Additional settings, if I go into additional settings, you can enable or disable certain tones and ringtones. And sound effects, you get here headphones buttons. You can choose you can even assign it out. And equalizer, me sound enhancer is also given. You can choose the headphones and the equalizer using 3.5 mm headphone jack. And notification and control center, you get app notifications like this. You can enable or disable from here. And notification shade, it's set to MIUI, and you, if you need, you can choose show weather information. And control center, it's new only. If you want, you can choose some of the settings here. Collapse after touch and switch control center side. If you want, you can choose left side swiping or right side based upon that. And smart home, if you use Google Home or Xiaomi Home apps, then you will be utilized that section. And coming to home screen, I already explained here. You can just disable App Vault, but no Google pane in the left side. Those things are not given. And password and security, I already shown screen lock, face unlock, and even the fingerprint unlock. You can manage the passwords. And privacy protection is still Android 10 based ROM only. This one you won't get any new settings. And app settings, you get system app settings. For example, these are the system apps. If you want, you can change. And even dual apps function is also present in this ROM. Permissions, you can choose here. App lock, here you can enable the app lock, and it's working fine, no problem. In the additional settings, you get these things like gesture shortcuts is given. You can choose here. For example, take a screenshot using 3 fingers. It's enabled. And volume down plus power. Launch camera, double press the power button, double press volume down when the screen is locked. Turn on torch, double press the power button. For example, if it is, as you can see, the torch is vacant. Those things are given. The gesture shortcuts you can enable using that. Quick ball settings, it's handy feature. If you want, you can use here. If I press here, you can even choose, for example, okay, this is how you can choose in the quick ball. As you can see, you can even prefer the gesture swipe or swipe, tap or swipe, and hide automatically. And stick to the edge after 3 seconds of inactivity. Wake up areas, you can choose. Show on lock screen, those things you can choose. This is the quick ball settings. And one-handed mode is also given. Accessibility menu, which is my favorite, is also present in this ROM. As you can see, you need to swipe like this to get the accessibility menu. It's Android 10 only, still no Android 12 type accessibility menu. If you enable navigation, traditional navigation bar, then you will get a separate icon. That's not a problem. And special features, you get game turbo here, the old version only, nothing new here. And video toolbox is also given. It's also a normal version, not advanced video toolbox. Floating window is also given. Second space, that's how it works. It's given. MIUI lab and light mode. These are the special features. It's simple but useful what I have given. This is how the settings panel, and this is how the home screen. Let me open the, here you get memory status, how much RAM is available, and even you can toggle these things from here. And let me show you the DRM info. You get here directly wide 1 level 1 certification from this ROM, so no problem in watching the HD content in OTT applications. And Geekbench score, here the score is simple, the 464 single score, and multi score is very good, 1478 for Redmi Note 7 with this kernel used here, Daemon plus kernel used in this ROM. It's fine. And coming to like safety net status, it get passed. Obviously, it's an Android 10 build. It's easy to get passed. As you can see, it get passed. You can use any payment applications also. WhatsApp, everything is working fine in this ROM. No problem in this ROM. You can definitely try it out as a daily driver if you want a MIUI based ROM on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. And if you're first time to this channel, hit down the subscribe down below and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like and share among your friends guys this kind of videos. And coming to like BGMI, I have using GFX tool in this ROM since it's an under 10 and thermals are also good in this ROM, no overheating. So hence I open with GFX tool. And you need to add into the game turbo mode, then you will get this option. And coming to like BGMI settings, here I have enabled using GFX tool. As I said, smooth plus extreme, balance plus extreme, HD plus extreme, HDR extreme. Until that you can play, but my recommended settings is smooth plus extreme and play a game. It's fine. The BGMI is also fine. No throttling also. I will be testing it out right now. Before that, I will show you the camera. What are the camera application you get? Here you get ANX camera. It's working fine, as you can see. I mean the MIUI camera, it's working fine. As you can see, it's working fine, no problem. If you want, you can use any Gcam ports which are available for this Redmi Note 7 Pro. You can use. I thought I would run up to 4-5 minutes, but within the 2 minutes I got the difference. It's throttling a little bit is there, but in day-to-day performance and gaming also I tried, it's not that much throttling. I never faced like bad gameplay like that, but still in the CPU throttling app it's showing, maybe because of some of the apps are running in the background such that it's throttling. But anyhow, it's not stable as previously made videos on my channel. You can check it out. You can check it out in Pixel 5 ROM and some of the Voltage OS. Those have very good peak performance compared to this ROM. And if you are still not subscribe it guys. And I made several videos also, you can check it out. And 99% of the people who are coming to my channel are unsubscribed. Only 1% people are subscribed viewers. So subscribe to my channel guys. No one are subscribing, just watching videos and not even liking the video. If you like the video, really it's going to help me. I will get motivated. Thank you for watching guys. This is the Mind Edition. I hope I have explained everything in this ROM. And this is the Mind Edition, latest one 21.10.10, latest build of October 22nd. And thank you for watching guys. See you in the another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.